York Castle High is represented this evening by Ryoma Muir, Tamala Neal, Nikhil Lalwani, and team captain Janique Emmanuel. While Hampton School is represented by Chloe Powell, Ronice McNelly, Roshanae Simmons, and team captain Anna Ruth Parchment. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to continuing round 3 action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. York Castle High won and decided to go first. So we begin with York Castle High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock. So we'll begin right away, York Castle, with mathematics. What is the additive inverse of 1 over 9?
Additive inverse.
So negative 1 over 9? Negative 1 over 9.
Negative 1 over 9.
Minus 1 over 9, that's right. Mathematics, Hampton School. Which number is known as or called the additive identity?
Additive, no one.
The numerator.
Push it. The numerator.
The numerator.
0. International affairs, a visual one for York Castle. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Djibouti.
Djibouti.
That's right. International affairs for Hampton School. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Seychelles.
Seychelles.
Correct. History for York Castle. The Treaty of Perth of July 1266 ended a conflict between which 2 countries?
England and France.
England and France.
Norway and Scotland. Hampton history. The Treaty of Nystad of September 1721 was the last peace treaty between which 2 countries?
Nystad. China and Great Britain.
China and Great Britain.
Russia and Sweden. Physics for York Castle. Whose law states that under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain equal numbers of molecules?
Avogadro's law.
That's right. Physics for Hampton. Specifically, which law states that all planets orbit the sun in an elliptical path? Planets, yes. Orbit the sun in an elliptical path.
Kepler's first law of planetary motion.
Kepler's first law of planetary motion.
We'll take it. Music for York Castle. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
We meet every day at the same cafe.
Whenever day.
No, Me and Mrs. Jones, Billy Paul. Music for Hampton School. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
I get so excited when I come home a little late at night.
Late at night.
Late at night.
If you don't know me by now, Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes. Spanish for York Castle. What is the English translation for ¿Cómo has estado?
¿Cómo has estado?
How have you been?
How have you been?
That's right. Spanish, Hampton School. What is the English translation for ¿Cómo te va?
¿Cómo te va?
How are you?
Yeah.
Come. Where are you? How are you?
How are you?
Yes, how are you doing? Theatre and cinema, York Castle. Look at the following clip and identify the actress, please.
Jane Fonda.
Jane Fonda.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Hampton. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Actress.
Melissa Foster.
Melissa Foster.
No, it's Doris Day. Information technology for York Castle. What does the abbreviation WAP stand for?
Wireless access
protocol.
Yes.
Wireless access protocol.
Wireless application protocol. Information technology for Hampton. What does the abbreviation VoIP stand for?
Voice over Internet Protocol.
Voice over Internet protocol.
That's correct. Sport or visual one for York Castle. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
You have her.
Go on. Aphie Fletcher.
Aphie Fletcher.
No, Amelia Carr, ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. Sport for Hampton. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
You have him? Give me something for India.
Carl Michaels.
No, it's Arshdeep Singh, ICC T20 Men's Cricketer of the Year. Chemistry for York Castle. When an acid reacts with a metal, which gas is usually liberated?
Hydrogen.
Yes.
Hydrogen gas.
Good. Chemistry, Hampton. When an acid reacts with a base, what products are formed?
Salt and water.
Salt and water.
That's right. Art for York Castle, and we won't have time for art. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be York Castle High on 6 points, Hampton School on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.